Hey there. So today on Spanky Speed Shop, we're gonna be looking in at the Buick again. More fun. I want to show you something. Come down here. This body panel kind of looks okay with a little teeny bit of rust down there at the bottom. So you're thinking, oh well, maybe I'll have to deal with that. And I do. And now I got to show you something. Little trick. Take a nice bright light. From inside, I'm going to hold this light down here, right there. We're going to look underneath. Oh, damn it. Lots of rust. We bring the light in here. See what we've got here. You see we have some form of old paint putty patch or something, and look at that. You can see the remnants of a cut and weld job that's been done before. There's been a little rust there along that seam that I'm very concerned about. That's this seam right here. So I'm going to have to inspect all this very carefully. And then coming over here on this side, I can also see the remnants, old rust job. There's an old weld right there, cutting down, coming up. So the rust is a little more extensive than I had originally thought. Got some more concerns about it. Got this cord in a mess, so I'm flopping it around and swinging you guys around like crazy. Let's try the light trick on this side. So here's the light. Bring it down. I don't see any tiny pinholes. But that doesn't mean I'm going to be doing not going to be doing some tapping with a screwdriver. So, got some trunk fender rust repair to deal with. All in all, not incredibly bad, but I am concerned about that. So the plan is, get to it. I'm thinking, I haven't decided on this yet, but what I think I'm going to have to do, because I don't have some of the really nice fancy body tools yet. I don't have an English wheel. I don't have the right tools to properly make this on its own. So what I'm going to do, what I'm going to plan on doing, is first off, I'm going to get a piece of sheet steel cut to fit this fender, just, big chunk. And then I'm going to use the fender as my dolly. And I'm going to slowly and gently bend that metal to perfectly fit outside of this and form it. And I can already feel some issues in here. But I'm trying to get that formed perfectly. And then once I have my replacement piece formed and fitted, and it fits perfectly on the outside of this, then I'm probably going to go ahead and grind this down, cut it out, slap that other piece in. So, it's going to be a lot of work. Let's get to it.